Interpreting the technical specifications for the Vickers amplifier card. EEA-PAM-523-A-32. The 523 has a maximum solenoid current of 1.6 amps. It has an amplifier input current at 0 volts command signal of 0.3 amps. The deadband compensation with factory settings is 25% of max spool stroke. The deadband compensation adjustment per direction is 25% from centered position. The gain with factory settings is 10% per volt. The zero adjustment, the percent of max spool stroke, does not apply to this card. The card will automatically reset due to overload detection. The dither is factory set. The ambient temperature range is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. The card weighs 0.15 pounds. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EEA-PAM card sales and replacements.